Wait.
Renegade, renegade, renegade.
Got one. Go. Go. Oh, go. Yeah.
Okay, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe to the Two Lit Sisters. You got your girl Loyalty. You got your girl Lyric Too Lit. And you also not only got your girl Forever. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Like that. Look like that. Up the room. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running.
Jakayla, what is wrong with you?
I'm good.
Are you okay?
Oh, man, you're good.
That's not the medicine now. You need to be going down the other house. Jakayla, what is wrong with you? What medicine now?
What a best now. Girl, you stop. Oh my.
Go, Jakayla.
Yeah.
Jakayla, go down to medicine now and get you some cough medicine. This the toys out. It ain't no. Jakayla. Jakayla, go down to medicine now and find some cough syrup. Where, excuse me, ma'am, do y'all have cough syrup here? Jakayla, come down here. They said the medicine now is down here. Come on. The medicine is down here. Jakayla. Okay. Jakayla, cover your mouth. Cough drops. Jakayla, you doing too much. Calm down. Calm down now. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. They got some cough medicine down here. Tussin.
Is that cough syrup?
Yeah. Keep popping. Go. You gotta go down the aisle with somebody, okay? I heard that black lady say that.
She should have said in that one.
Come on. Jakayla, come on. We done got the cough syrup. Now you can go. Cover your mouth. Jakayla. Jakayla. Are you okay?
No.
Jakayla. Come on. Cover your mouth. Everybody looking. Go down 9 and look for the Pringles. I think they stack. You know the stacks that be getting sour cream ones. Or if they ain't got them, get the barbecue ones.
Hello? 8 o'clock? Yes, ma'am. her.
Jacayla, calm down, because everybody thinking you crazy or something.
Right.
Where is it at?
Coming down.
I don't know.
You just need to take some medicine. Lyric, she said 9. You went down the road. Is that it? No, I don't want that kind.
That's the only problem we have. We just have to play one.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, that's fine, I guess. It still feel bad?
Yeah.
Calm down, though. Because everybody looking at us. They looking at us crazy.
You two want this?
Yeah.
Okay, because I haven't scanned it yet.
Oh, okay.
$3?
Just give one of them, go ahead and give one of them cough drops.
Okay. Can you help me, please?
Oh, that's it?
Okay, that's it.
Jacayla. Dollar Tree, as y'all can see. And Jacayla did the most. Jacayla did the most. These people was looking at us crazy and everything.
It's okay.
I'm wondering why Jacayla was coughing and everything, y'all. She did the most. But now we headed to another store because I think Jacayla overdid it.
And the next season is when we're gonna be putting stuff in people's bags. Oh,
Jacayla did the most, y'all, but she did a good job, but it was too much.
it was too much. Like,
Okay.
L-I-T, Tulip Crew. What's my game? What's my watch? You got lyric?
It's a girl, it's Jacayla.
Now you get me. There you go, Johnny. Let the little lady get in.
Well,
It got Lala. Guys.
we're going to bring the coffin in public prank. Yeah, I'm so scared because they're going to
Got some more?
be making it seem like we got the virus, which we don't. They're going to think that we got the virus, so that's why we're not going to do all that like she did. Because they was like, oh my God, she needs to be quarantined. But, okay, y'all ready to go in the store? I'm so scared. You ready? Let's go.
I got some a little bit.
Oh, I forgot to tell them that I left some strawberries the other day. But it was just $1.39, but I still need my strawberries. I want some big red ones.
These
Oh, pretty.
pretty strawberries. She get 2 of them.
Hey, I eat these all day. Why y'all making it so obvious? Here go the kids' cold and cough. $2.18 ain't bad. Get those.
What?
Apple Jack.
Apple Jacks. I love Apple Jacks. That's so special.
I can't really record. Cough on me right now. Look. You taking too long. You could have been out. I'm not trying to sit here that long. But don't overdo it, Jaquela. No, because you're doing too much. You're taking too long. Nobody got time for that. If you keep sitting here, you just, oh, no, I don't want to do that.
I mean, what that?
Come on. We got the medicine so we can go.
I need to get some water.
Come on, I get M&M's in this. I get M&M's. I get M&M's. I get M&M's in this. You okay?
What?
Okay, unless you're sick, I'll be calm. But unless you're not, I'll be
Yeah.
Okay, move. Stop pushing it. Stop pushing it.
I said push. Push.
I'm just taking a walk.
I'm gonna look this is how honeycomb.
Jaquela, calm down.
I'm gonna look this is how honeycomb look like.
Hey, y'all, come on. Jaquela, y'all, calm down. Calm down. $2.99? Ooh. Okay, yeah, I'll pay for them. Oh, wait, pay for them separately. Put them to the side. Okay, not now? No. How many got to put up here?
Have one water?
Yes, I don't mean to tell you that. Okay, Jaquela, just walk behind somebody. That's going to be funny as shit. Hold on, Jaquela.
This is the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and hit the notification button so you can always see our video when we out. Peace.
Deal when she walk. Deal when she walk. Deal when she